Welcome to Bible Journey. Let's prepare for this course by getting oriented to its navigation and structure. If you are on a computer or some tablets, notice the navigation sidebar on the left-hand side of the screen. If it is not showing, you are likely in the expanded view. Click the button with two inward-facing arrows on the top right corner of the screen to exit the expanded view. If you are on a mobile device, the navigation bar will not be immediately visible. Tap on the icon with three horizontal lines to expand the navigation menu. Before you start a course, make sure and check out the Course Preparations section. There, you'll find an introduction to the course, as well as a section called Journey Prep. This will direct you to a short course that includes these instructional videos, as well as other introductory content about understanding the Bible. Finally, you'll find the workbook journal, provided as a PDF. You should download the workbook when you begin each course, so that you have it available when you arrive at workbook content. As you move through a lesson, you can use the navigation sidebar to track your progress. Each learning unit will prompt you to click the Continue button. This will check the learning unit off in the sidebar and automatically move you to the next section. This allows you to see your progress, as well as jump back and forth between learning units, or return to one you have not yet finished. You can mark any element as incomplete if you want to make a note to come back to it. Next, notice the icons and the label beneath each learning unit's title. This allows you to see what's coming down the road. For example, a lecture or on-site video, reading material, book charts, timelines, or other graphics, as well as questions to reflect on or to review the material. You'll also notice that some of these learning units are labeled as bonus. Bonus content will dive into more depth on some of the topics discussed in each course. You can use this content to take control of the pace of your learning, either to move directly to the next essential learning unit, or to linger and study more on a topic that interests you. These are the key navigational features of our course. Next, we'll explore the course structure and content.